Hello everyone, this is your third tutorial. Today we will deal with assembly feature in Inventor, but first we will draw separate parts for the required assembly. Today's machine will be a rocker arm that consists of 5 parts. So let's start with first part. It's called base, part number 1. First we'll start a new drawing, a new part, standard, create. Here we have two views for front and top. Let's start with top. Make new sketch. Draw center rectangle from here. Let's see dimension. It will be 125. And the total length will be 76 and 76. 76 plus 76. Let's draw our holes. This 4 pattern. Let's put any circle here. Its dimension from center point to center line will be 76 divided 2. And from here will be 102 divided 2 as in here. Let's draw another circle from same center point. Make dimension. First, the small hole will be 520. The bigger hole will be 538. Now let's make rectangular pattern. I select the geometry. I will select the direction I want to be in this line. Total distance will be 102. As you can see, a gray circle is shown. I want to make another direction to be in that direction, and to be the total distance between that is 76. As you see, there is 4 holes or 4 circles. It's okay. Our sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. I'll make extrude first of the base to be, let's make it down to be 12, and we will share the sketch. Extrude the outer circle, select the outer circle only, to be extruded to be 3 mm, that's shown here. Another extrusion will be selected through the small hole, but will be cut. Let's select the same circle again, small circles, make it cut, symmetric through. Let's hide the sketch. Now we have created our base, this base. Now let's try to draw this circle. I will select the middle sketch and draw a circle here. This circle is of phi 82, and from the base, the bottom line, from this center to this line to be 75. And from this center to that line to be 76 to make it in the middle. Finish sketch. Make extrusion of the circle to be symmetric. How long? From, you can see this rectangle of the circle to be 64. Okay. Now we will draw these two stops, vertical and horizontal, from the same middle sketch. XY, create a new sketch. We want to make a circle of phi or radius 58. times 2. Now we want to make two vertical lines, and the distance between them will be 12 from 12 to be the same step for the horizontal. We will draw another circle to be the same as circle. Let's make it 80. Let's trim. I want to trim this and this. I want to trim this. As you see, two stops, vertical and horizontal. Finish sketch. Let's make extrusion. There's extra line here. We'll get back to sketch. Frame this extra line. How extrusion to be? 38. How long? 38. Symmetric. And press OK. Now we have made the two stops. You can see here there's a dotted line that represents a hole or a hollow in the cylinder. We will make this hollow. Select this middle plane. New sketch. We will draw a new circle of phi 58. We will extend this line. As you can see here. Extend that line. Let's change the view. Make you show all the lines. Draw another circle. try it too. Now let's trim. I want to cut this shape, cut this line, and we want to extend some lines. Let's extend this line, be long, and also this line. Now let's trim. Let's see the shape. We can put some dimension. Let's get back to our view. Select the sketch, make extrude cut. Select the profile, extrude cut. How long? To be 38 also. Okay. For now, this base is complete. What's remaining some ribs or whips. We will draw this rib from the same middle sketch. We will draw an open shape from the same center point. Draw a line from here to the tangent point. Hold Control, make a tangent, and trim any no extra. Repeat the same step from this point to the point here. Trim the upper curve, same issue. We want to extend that line. Let's trim and trim the extra. You can see the black line from here. Finish sketch. Let's deal with rib. Select the parallel to sketch plane. Select this open sketch. I want to reverse. To be better in the direction. Thickness of this web is 10. Okay. We have another web here. You can see clear from these two lines. Select the perpendicular sketch YZ. You can see the details of the web. It is in an angle 30. Select a line to up cylinder. Make the angle to be 30. Repeat the same step, or you can use mirror. From the two end point. Let's extend this line. Let's see. Clear. Finish sketch. Sketch rib. To be in this direction. Select all this line. Parallel to plane. Obstacle stand. Part 1 is nearly finished. The remaining is 2 holes, one of phi 22 and the other is phi 28. From this sketch, phi 28 is to cut. Let's select up to face to this face. Another new sketch. Phi 22. Extrude. Cut. Up to face. Clear. Part 1 is finished. Save it and let's move to part 2. Start a new part. We will now draw part 2. It's called pen. Let's draw it in one sketch and 2 steps. Let's select this plane, sketch from here. I'll try to draw the outer profile. The total length will be 105 from this point to that point, and from this point to be 40. To be 90. The total diameter will be 45 over 2. Will be phi 28 over 2. I'm sketching half of this shape. This point to the point will be M22, metric 22, phi 22 over 2. Let's draw some center line. Here, right click, make obstruction to be coincident, now full defined. Select revolve, select profile, select axis of rotation to be this axis. To avoid this revolution, let's edit sketch and make it close profile. Accept. Repeat the revolution step. Evolve the profile about this axis. Select this axis. Okay. For the last step in this pen, we want to make thread of M22. Where is thread? Thread is here. Select this face, size M22, depth will be 30. As you show, this pen is done. Save it, and let's move to second part. For the arm, we will sketch on the top. Two cylinders, two circles. From here, two circles. Let's draw construction line between. Let's make center line. The distance between these two, let it be to be 200. We will try to draw two lines. Distance from be 24/2. 24/2. Let's make it with another method. Draw a line. We draw it here. We make it offset to be 12 and 12 down there. Select this circle to be 48. Small circle 35. 19 and 32. Now let's trim. Let's make this to be shorter. Very good. Extrude this profile symmetric to be 36. Share some sketch. This profile to be 25. And this to be 12. Hide the visibility of the sketch. Now the part number 4 is done. For the last part, it's called a bush. Let's make it. From this plane, two circles. Of 528. And this 35. Finish sketch. Extrude this profile. Flip to be 36. Now for this part number 3 is done. Now let's move to assembly, and I'll show you how to open a new assembly. From create new file, you will see here assembly. Select standard mm.iam assembly. Create. Now let's add our parts, saved parts. place from here. Let's start with the base, or you can select all together and open. Place it. Okay. As you can see, each part can move separately. So first I want to fix this base. Right click on it and select grounded. As you see, it's not moving. To rotate parts, you can free move or free rotate. Let's start with this part. We can free rotate to be in this alignment. We can select this to be in that alignment. Click. Let's start with this bush. Try join to make our mate. Type automatic. Select this cylinder and cylinder. You can see it cylindrical. Apply. As you see, it's in concentric with the two other circles. To make the bush in the symmetrical distance between these two holes, the hole is 38 lengths and the bush is 36. Select constraint, select this face and that face. The distance will be, the offset will be 38 minus 36 divided 2. Apply. As you can see, now it is in a symmetrical distance. Now let's try mate this pin. Select joint, this sphere and that cylinder, this cylinder and this cylinder. Press apply. As you can see, it's now moving. We want to make another constraint. Select this face and this face to be 0 offset. As you can see, now the pin is not moving, only rotating. For the last part, select joint and this bush. Press apply. Now the arm is concentric with the bush and the pin. We want to make the same steps to make it symmetrical. The bush and the arm is 36. Select constraint, this face and the face will be 38 minus 36 42. Apply. Now it is in the mid distance. Let's add some angle limit to stop in this arm and that arm. Constraint, angle constraint. First selection, this second selection will be that reference vector. Let's make reference vector of let's try this line. We want it to be 0, 90, 180, 180. Press apply. Now your assembly for rocker arm is finished. This is your lab task. You should submit it on Moodle. See you next time. Bye.